Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that an artificial intelligence system can do most of your job. Not in 10 years, not in 5 years, today. It can write reports, analyze data, answer emails, create presentations, conduct research, and even write software. Tasks that once required entire teams can now be completed in minutes. For decades, white-collar jobs were considered the safest careers in the world. Office work represented education, stability, and financial security. But artificial intelligence is changing that assumption faster than most people realize. And the biggest question facing millions of professionals is no longer whether AI will change work. The real question is, will we adapt fast enough? Because the future of white-collar work is already being rewritten. Artificial intelligence is not a new invention. Researchers have been developing AI systems for decades. But something extraordinary happened recently. AI escaped the laboratory. In just a few years, powerful AI tools became available to ordinary people. Millions started using systems capable of generating text, images, code, videos, and business insights within seconds. What once required specialized knowledge suddenly became accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Businesses quickly recognized the opportunity. AI wasn't just another technology trend, it was a productivity revolution. For companies, the benefits were impossible to ignore. Lower operating costs, faster decision-making, improved efficiency, and the ability to scale without hiring large numbers of employees. For the first time in history, software began performing tasks that traditionally required highly educated professionals, and that changes everything. Because when technology starts replacing physical labor, industries evolve. But when technology starts replacing cognitive labor, entire economies can transform. For years, most people assumed automation would mainly affect factory workers and manual labor. The common belief was simple: machines would replace physical work. Humans would continue doing intellectual work. But artificial intelligence is challenging that assumption. Most white-collar jobs are built around processing information, reading documents, writing emails, creating reports, analyzing spreadsheets, researching information, preparing presentations, managing workflows. These tasks require knowledge, but many of them also follow patterns. And AI systems are becoming remarkably good at recognizing and executing those patterns. Today, AI can summarize thousands of pages in seconds, generate detailed business reports, write professional marketing content, analyze financial information, review contracts, create software code, and respond to customers with human-like communication. Does this mean every office worker will lose their job tomorrow? No, but it does mean something important. If one employee supported by AI can produce the output that previously required 3 employees, companies may eventually need fewer people. The impact may not arrive overnight, but the direction is becoming increasingly clear. The nature of work is changing, and many organizations are already preparing for that future. The transformation is no longer theoretical, it is already happening. In banking, AI systems help automate fraud detection, risk analysis, reporting, and customer service. In law firms, AI tools review contracts and summarize legal documents in minutes instead of days. In software development, coding assistants help engineers write code faster and solve problems more efficiently. In marketing, AI can generate campaigns, advertisements, graphics, videos, and content at massive scale. In consulting, AI is increasingly assisting with research, data analysis, and business insights. Even customer support is evolving. Advanced AI assistants can now answer questions, resolve issues, and provide personalized responses around the clock. Companies are discovering that they can often maintain or even increase productivity while relying on smaller teams. And during times of economic uncertainty, efficiency becomes one of the most valuable assets a business can possess. This is why organizations around the world are investing billions into AI technologies, not because they are chasing a trend, but because they believe AI will become a fundamental competitive advantage. Historically, companies scaled by hiring more people. More employees meant more output meant more growth. That formula powered much of the modern economy. But AI is beginning to change the equation. For the first time, a small team equipped with powerful AI tools can achieve results that once required entire departments. One professional supported by AI may soon perform the work of multiple employees. This creates a new economic model, an economy powered not only by human labor but also by digital labor. AI assistants could become as common in the workplace as email and spreadsheets are today. Businesses that successfully integrate AI may experience unprecedented productivity growth. At the same time, workers who fail to adapt may face increasing pressure as expectations continue to rise. The workplace of the future may look very different from the workplace we know today. Not because humans disappear, but because humans and intelligent systems begin working together in entirely new ways. Every technological revolution creates opportunities, and every technological revolution creates disruption. The AI era will likely be no different. The biggest winners may not be AI itself. The biggest winners may be the people who learn how to use it effectively. Professionals who combine human creativity with AI capabilities could become dramatically more productive. Skills such as leadership, communication, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, adaptability, and strategic decision-making may become even more valuable. Why? Because these remain areas where humans still hold important advantages. Meanwhile, highly repetitive knowledge work may become increasingly automated. History offers an important lesson. When new technologies emerge, the people who embrace them often gain an advantage. Those who resist them often struggle to keep up. The safest career strategy may no longer be avoiding AI. The safest strategy may be mastering it, because the future may belong to those who learn how to work alongside intelligent systems rather than compete against them. The future of white-collar work is not disappearing overnight, but it is changing, and it is changing faster than many companies, governments, and workers expected. Artificial intelligence is more than another software upgrade. It may become one of the most significant economic transformations of the modern era. The question is no longer whether AI will reshape work. That process has already begun. The real question is, who will adapt quickly enough to benefit from it? Because in the future economy, success may not belong to the strongest organizations, or even the largest organizations. It may belong to those who learn how to combine human intelligence with artificial intelligence. And that future is arriving much sooner than most people think. If you enjoyed this video and want to understand the future of AI, technology, careers, and the global economy, subscribe to Futurescope, because the future doesn't wait, and those who understand it first often benefit the most.